Welcome to Nasdaq Trade Talks. I'm Jill Malandrino, Global Markets Reporter at Nasdaq. Joining me for this segment, we have Juan Pablo Córdoba. He's the CEO of nuam Exchange to discuss a new marketplace for consolidation of the Santiago, Lima, and Colombia stock exchanges and how it will provide more opportunities to attract investment and drive growth in the region. It is great to have you with us, Juan. Welcome to Trade Talks.
Hi, Jill. Thank you very much for the invitation. I'm very happy to be here.
You got it. And nuam Exchange is a newly created marketplace formed by the consolidation of 3 exchanges, Santiago, Lima, and Colombia. Can you please tell us what nuam Exchange is all about and the background behind it?
Well, basically what we want to do is create a more relevant market in Latin America for global investors to participate in by providing a value proposition that reduces the cost to entry and a single access point to the market where you can find all the securities in 3 countries in a single trading engine and process so that everybody can access this new market.
What benefits will combining these 3 exchanges bring to the region's capital markets?
Well, the idea, of course, is to boost liquidity and create a more attractive market where more issuers can come to market and fund themselves, raising capital and debt in our marketplace, and also provide an alternative investment opportunity for global investors in Latin America. Latin America has a lot to offer, but the avenues to come to the market are complicated because they're relatively small markets with different rules. So we want to create a single market with the same rules so you can access all the securities in the 3 countries with the same process.
And how will that combination support the domestic economies of Chile, Peru, and Colombia?
Well, as you know, well-functioning capital markets foster growth and create more inclusive growth in any economy. So what we want to do is to have precisely a more relevant capital market that provides access to funding by corporations, but very importantly as well to SMEs. SMEs have been elusive clients of capital markets, and by lowering the bar to access in terms of cost and simplicity to come to the market, we hope that we can also provide an attractive marketplace, not only for SMEs, but for startups. There's a wide range of fintechs and startups in Latin America, and particularly Colombia, Peru, and Chile. And what we want to provide is capital for those companies to grow and to eventually become issuers in the market.
nuam Exchange and Nasdaq recently announced a strategic technology partnership. What does this partnership mean for nuam?
Well, we want to make life easy for local and global participants, and Nasdaq has been recognized for providing, top-class trading engines and trading systems with international standards and international accepted protocols. So what we want to signal to the market is that we're here for business. We're doing the things the best way possible, and by linking with Nasdaq, we're putting out a trading engine for both equities and derivatives that is in a format that is accepted and well recognized by global investors.
And finally, Juan, what are you most excited about going forward with the business?
Well, I think creating something new is always very exciting. So I'm definitely very excited personally. And I think the whole team here, the management team here, is very excited about creating this new market for Latin America and improving the lives of citizens by having better capital markets is always very exciting. So being part of this development process for the capital markets in Latin America is definitely something that I look forward to. And I take the opportunity to make an invitation to all global participants to look out for what we're doing and hopefully join in for this exciting moment.
All right, Juan, we appreciate the insight. Thanks for joining us on Trade Talks. I'm Jill Malandrino, Global Markets Reporter at Nasdaq.
Thank you, Jill.